Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And oh my gosh, I just got something one of the most exciting boxes I've received from Ipsy right here. I just got my Icon box for the month of August, and I'm so excited to get into it. I actually am wearing makeup from this box. But I absolutely love this box. So let's just get into it and see what we got here. Okay, friends, first of all, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, leave me a comment, and please subscribe. I'm so close to 1,000. And you can help me by subscribing to my channel if you wish. And so anyway, there's that. Before we get into the box, I want to show you the pamphlet. They sent quite a big pamphlet this time, and I was really excited to read it. I did look at it, and I want to read the whole thing. But Ash K. Holm is the curator for the Icon box this month, and she's a makeup artist. She does a celebrity style, kind of a celebrity stylist, and she has in here, they call her from effortless to elevated makeup mastery is what she can bring you. And then it tells a little bit about her, and this, I loved this, reading this. Our speaking fluent Ash right here, she gives you several tips on how to apply your makeup. If you guys got this, take a look at the pamphlet because it's really kind of exciting. Here's some of the looks she shows how to wear, and most of these items are in my box actually. So here we go. So just anyway, I was really kind of impressed with this month's pamphlet. I love this quote. It says, "Makeup isn't about masking, it's about enhancing what's already iconic." So anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. So let's get into this iconic box. Let's see. So open it up, and I did get in here because I am wearing everything that's in this box today. So I'm excited though now they picked 5 items for me, and then I had 3 choices that I could pick. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't super excited with my choices this time, but I loved the things they picked for me. So I'm just gonna go down the line, and I'm gonna share what I got here or what they picked for me first. And the first thing, let's see here. I've got a mascara, and this is from Haas Labs, and it is the Be Structural Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara in Black Onyx. Now, I do have this on. I love it. I usually wear 2 mascaras, but this one was so great. I just used the one, and it has kind of a different brush. It's almost an hourglass, but it's just a little different shape than I'm used to seeing. I love this mascara, so I'm excited about that. That was the first thing in here. The next thing that I got for my face was from Kevin Aucoin. I don't know how you pronounce. I should know. Aucoin. Anyway, this is the Neo Blush in Rose Cliff. Now it's kind of a subtle blush, and I'm on the fence about it because I'm not sure I loved it. I did go ahead and put, because I like to do kind of a, what do you call it, a stick blush, and then the powder over it. This was not real strong, and it was really light. I didn't get the look I prefer, but I think if you can work it. You just gotta layer it, and I think it could give a beautiful look, but you just have to put more into it to get that look. So anyway, that's the one thing that I was a little, it's okay, but I was a little bit disappointed in this blush. The next thing I have here is, did I show that good enough? Let me see. Yeah, there it is close up. So anyway, it's pretty. It just is real light going on. So anyway, so the next thing I have here is from Mario Makeup. Oh wait, this is one of my choices. I don't want to show that. I have a palette they gave me, and I am so excited about this patrickta palette. I have some other patrickta things. In fact, I used a patrickta. I used their, which I'm not super crazy about this, to be honest, but I had to play with it a lot. But this is the foundation from patrickta. So I do have that on for my foundation today. And this was the blush. This is Perlice BB. It's either lip and cheek. It's just a stick here, and I did use that under my blush. And then, but anyway, back to the eyeshadow palette. This is so beautiful. Look at this. I know I'm going to use this all the time. I just know I am. So here it is, guys. Oh, can you see that good? Anyway, it's beautiful. There's 12 colors here. Our cream right here, and they have a lid over the cream, and then these 10. There's five that are shimmer, and then 5 matte. I happen to use in my look today. I happen to use 8 of these colors. So it's like a work of art. I mean, I just kind of play like it's a canvas. So there's my eyes using this beautiful palette. It's definitely long. It's kind of neutral, but it has the rosy tones that is right along my, just perfect for me. So I'm excited about that. So there's that. And, so really, this was probably the most exciting thing. Everything in here, I looked at, I'm going to post pictures and prices of each of the things I got, but the least expensive thing I got was the lipstick, and that's coming up in my choices. It was $26. Everything else is well above that. This right here more than paid for my box just alone, and I am so thrilled with this. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful palette, a beautiful, anyway, it's kind of gold. It does have mirrors so you can look, anyway, I could see in it. So can't say enough good things about that. That was pretty fabulous. The next thing I got was 2, not 1, but 2. And these are kulfi. I've been getting into this brand, this kulfi. This is an African brand, and they do some really fun things with their colors and whatnot. These are, I got a black and a brown eyeliner. I did use the black today. I didn't use a lot of eyeliner look because I used under my eyes, I used the eye palette. But this is, I think I'm going to really like this. These are really nice. Here is the tip. It's just a fine tip. So I actually did a really fine line above on my eyelid, and I really liked how fine it was and how it went on. So I'm excited about these two. These two together are valued at $45. So anyway, that's pretty cool product to get. And then now they also picked, let's see. They also picked for me this from Otisite. This is a Hydra Firm body oil, and it's a Sea Glow. So I do have this on. I put this on my chest and my arms, and I love it. The only problem with it is it has a really strong scent, which it's kind of a botanically scent, which I like normally in like skincare and whatnot, but I hope this doesn't interfere with my perfume or other scents I put on. But Anyway, it's beautiful oil. I've been using body oils lately. I actually have several right now. I also like to mix them in with my lotion and put it all over. It just helps, gives a little bit of a shine. It really helps moisturize, especially this time of year. Another tip for these is you just put a few drops in the bath with you, and it'll really moisturize your you know, your body and stuff. So anyway, there's lots of uses for this. I'm excited about it. It's a big thing. Okay, the next thing that I got, I guess I'll show you. Well, I did get the Beauty Boost, and this one I got an elemis. This is a Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. Now, this is a $99 value product. I know some of the elemis skincare products can be really, really pricey. I love elemis. It's definitely in my top 3 skincare overall. I use a lot of elemis products, so I'm really excited to have this. Anyway, so there was that. So that right there paid for the box and a half, you know, just with that. I actually paid an extra $15 for this, but when you get a $100 product that you know you'll use, that's really awesome, then it's not such a bad deal. Okay, now I'm going to show you my 3 picks. And so the first one, like I said, I'm going to put my choices up right now for each one of what I had to choose from. And I kind of picked the one that I most wanted. The first thing I got, I have a hard time passing up Amika. This is a Superfruit Star lightweight hairstyling oil. I haven't ever used an oil from Amika, but it has this wonderful Amika packaging. I have a feeling it's going to smell really good. Like, yeah, it smells good like Amika. So I'm actually excited to use this. So this is in a glass bottle. It's really heavy duty. So when I saw it, looked kind of small, and I thought, oh, but you know what? For a hair oil, that's really nice. So I'm excited about that. That was my pick. I'm a hair girl, so I don't mind that. The next thing they had, my next choice was a makeupbymario product I received, and this is a highlighter. I do have Mario blush and bronzer, which I love, so I was kind of excited to see the highlighter. There was another thing in this category that I really wanted. I think it was the Kapari spray, like hair and body spray mist. So I passed up on that to get the Mario. I don't know. Anyway, but this, it actually, when I used it today, I actually really liked it. And I wasn't sure of the color of it. I'm going to see if I can find a... I'll just use this. So here's what it looks like. Here it is on my skin. I should have done that with a blush too. I don't know if you really see it right here. I bet you can see if I put it right here. So it is a really, really pretty highlighter. It is one I will go to. So I'm not mad about that. So there's that. And then the last thing I had to pick from, I think there might have been a couple in that category I was going between, but I went ahead with the Fentybeauty. It's a lip, let's see what they call this. They call it a slip shine sheer shiny lipstick. So it is a lipstick, and it did give me color. So I used from Buxom. I have this lip liner that I got. I think I got this in an I did get this in a Lure box. I really, really like this. So I lined my lips with this, and then I used this Fentybeauty. Here's what it looks like right there. And so I just put that on. That's all I have on right now is these two products, and I really, really like them. So I'm excited about that. I'll show you. This looks like it's a really pretty color. That's what that looks like. And the color of it is, it's called Retro Rose. I haven't found a Fenty lip product that I haven't been like crazy in love with. So I'm excited about that. So that's it. I didn't do any add-ons in this, in the icon box this time. I did my add-ons in my Ipsy Glam bag, which I filmed, but it'll probably go up right after this one. So anyway, you can see in there what add-ons I had. So there we go. So in my icon box, let's once again go over it. I got the oil, the body oil, which I love and I'm wearing. I got the hair, the Amika hair oil, styling oil, and that. And I got the patrickta eyeshadow palette and the Mario highlighter and the Haas Labs, what do they call that? It is the B Structural Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. So volume and lengthen. I love this mascara. So I'm glad I kind of discovered that. The fentybeauty lipstick. The Kevin Coin. This is the blush. The only thing I was kind of on the fence about. And then I got the two eyeliners. So in black and brown from Kulfi. And then I got the elemis, the wonderful, wonderful serum that I'm excited to use. And let's see, was that it? So it should be 8 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 because of the boost. So, and these 2 counted as 1. So that was really a good deal to get 2 eyeliners. Anyway, love all the products in a box, which I pretty much did in this one. I mean, I got a blush, a highlighter, eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, lips, everything in this box. And now it is on my face right here. So anyway, let me know what you think of this box. Did you guys get a box and did you like it or whatever? Let me know what your favorite products are. I don't know, just leave me a comment. Say whatever you want. Ask me any questions. I do respond to my comments. And so thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.